How to create a shared album on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And if you want to make a shared album and you just want to share your photos and videos on that, then here's how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to create a shared album, just simply go and open up the gallery from a device, and from the gallery simply go and tap on this album option at the bottom here. Now we'll get to see all the album that you have created before. So now to create a shared album, simply go and tap on this plus icon here at the very top. Now go ahead and select the shared album from the bottom. Now once you select the shared album, and go ahead and enter the name for the shared album. And once you have given a name for the shared album, simply go and tap on create. Now once you do that, you'll get to see two different options: choose contact or add Samsung account. And also you can share the link if you want to. So you can do it later. So I'm going to tap on later at the bottom here. Once you do that, your shared album has been created. Now if I scroll down, you'll get to see the shared album has been created here. Now simply go ahead and tap on this, and now you'll get to see there is no photos. So now to add photos and videos, you can tap on this plus icon at the very top, and this will get into your others album. So just go ahead and go to the album and select some of the photos, videos that you want to share on the shared album, and then simply go and tap on done. And once you do that, those photos and videos will be added here within a few seconds. You'll get to see it's uploading, so it will take a little time, and he'll get to see the photos and videos has been added here. So now if you want to share this album to a different person, you can tap on this people icon at the top. You can tap on the share icon. Now you can individually invite people by the phone number if you want to, or even you can share the link. You can tap on innovation link. You can tap on this, he'll get to see the link has been generated. You can tap on share link, and you can share this link through Drive, WhatsApp, and any other social media application. And this is how you can create shared album on Samsung phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.